Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Bahari, and in this video we are going to talk about price prediction of linear finance. Its initials are LINA, L-I-N-A, and it has been pumping a lot lately. So before we start the video, I would like to invite you guys to my Telegram channel where I am posting regular market updates, trade setups, and much more. So for example, I share two gems under $20 million over here. One was ORI token, second was meter governance, and I also posted a ETC trade setup over here. As you guys can see, very detailed trade setup, and that gave us 7.5% of profit today, and it was a scalp. So with 10x leverage we made almost 75%. So let's start the video of LINA USDT. LINA has been pumping a lot lately, and it is almost 55% up from the support or the bottom over here. Most people are gonna start buying LINA right now since it's pumping, and like a lot of people feel that they're just gonna buy the top and it's gonna go further up. But the thing is that I would like to add a disclaimer over here that this point over here 0.03169, this is a very strong resistance on daily time frame. This is a very strong resistance because it used to act as a support over here. So you guys can see it used to act as a support over here in these regions. This, so 1 2 3, it acted as a support over here also, 4 and 5. So it was a strong support region, but after 5 touches LINA price action broke below this one, and this support flipped into a resistance. So this region over here of 0.03169 over here, this is a very strong resistance for LINA, and I don't think that we are gonna break it anytime soon. We can enter a short position from this resistance over here, or even at this resistance over here. If you wanna be safe, we can do that, but I won't suggest you guys to buy right now since we are getting rejected from resistance over here, and then we have a strong resistance over here. So don't buy right now, that's my suggestion. And the first support to the downside for LINA is at 0.026. The second, this one, the second support to the downside for LINA is this line over here, which is at 0.024. The third support to the downside for LINA is at 0.022. Okay, and let me just use my Fibonacci retracements over here to see what region marks the golden pocket, and the golden pocket lies somewhere between 0.023. Okay, so what this means is that an ideal region to buy LINA or an ideal region to re-enter into LINA is going to be somewhere between 0.022. So this is going to be 0.022 and 0.023. These two supports are gonna be our ideal buying ranges. Don't buy right now, that's a disclaimer. I wouldn't buy right now because I don't think LINA is a good buy right now. I will buy only on these two supports, this one and this one, because these supports have because the price action has a greater possibility of bouncing from these supports. Okay, so the trade setup for LINA will look something like this. Personally, I'm gonna enter over here in this golden pocket zone with a stop loss of 15% over here. Okay, and then the targets are gonna be, I'm gonna just do 2:1 ratio, risk reward ratio. 2:1 is gonna be my risk to reward ratio. So my entry is gonna be at 0.023. My stop loss is gonna be at 0.019, but make sure this stop loss is not gonna be a touch stop loss. I want this stop loss, a 4-hour candle close, to be below this line. That ensures that we can go further below. Okay, so my entry is gonna be 0.023, and my target to the upside will remain this region over here, 0.031. So if this trade gets successful, we can make almost 35% of profit from Lina trade setup. Okay, so although it's pumping, don't buy right now, and the resistances to the upside for Lina are at 0.029 right now. So 0.029 marks the resistance number 1, 0.031 marks the resistance number 2, and 0.034 marks the resistance number 4. Okay, supports 0.026, 0.024, and 0.022. These are the supports. Support, resistance, and resistance. Make sure to mark these levels on your chart so you can use them for further references. And if you guys have any question, you can just join my Telegram channel or my chat lounge and ask questions over there. Okay, I will meet you guys with another video. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.